Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to apply for Social Security benefits. Alright, so let's begin. According to the official Social Security website, applying for retirement benefits is actually much easier than many people expect. You also don't have to wait until the last minute to submit your application. You can apply for your retirement benefits up to 4 months before you want your benefits to begin. The easiest and most recommended way to apply is online through the official Social Security website. To get started, you'll need to sign in to your personal My Social Security account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're signed in, the website will guide you through the retirement benefits application process step by step. For most people, the entire application can be completed in one sitting, so you don't necessarily have to worry about making multiple trips or completing a complicated process. If Social Security needs additional information, or if something in your application is missing or requires clarification, they will contact you and explain what you need to do next. This means you won't have to figure everything out on your own. If you are not comfortable applying online, that's completely fine as well. You can also apply over the phone by calling the Social Security toll-free number during business hours. A Social Security representative can assist you with completing the application. Another option is to apply in person at your local Social Security office. If you choose this method, it's generally a good idea to contact the office ahead of time and schedule an appointment so you can avoid unnecessary waiting. If you currently live outside the United States, you can still apply for Social Security retirement benefits. In this situation, you'll need to work with the Social Security office that handles international cases. They can provide guidance based on the country where you currently live, and that's it. So that's basically how you can apply for Social Security benefits. So that's all for this video.